Hello, my dear friend. Welcome back to our quiet, peaceful space together today. I hope you are feeling comfortable wherever you are right now. Perhaps you are sitting in your favorite chair with a warm drink or taking a quiet walk outside. Wherever you happen to be, please take a moment to pause. Take a deep, gentle breath with me, in and out, and let your body relax completely. Today, I want to share a quiet reflection with you about a feeling that so many of us carry silently in our hearts. It is that heavy, uncomfortable feeling that you are somehow falling behind in life. Have you ever felt that quiet ache in your chest? It usually happens when you look around at the people around you. You see your friends, your neighbors, or people you grew up with moving ahead so fast. You see them reaching major milestones like getting big job promotions, buying beautiful homes, getting married, or starting families of their own. When you look at their lives from the outside, everything seems so organized, so successful, and so completely on track. And then you turn back and look at your own life. You look at your daily routine, your quiet apartment, or your unfinished goals, and you feel a sharp pinch of doubt. You start asking yourself difficult questions late at night. Why am I not further along? Did I make a huge mistake somewhere in my past? You might feel like you wasted precious years, or that you missed your chance to build the life you always dreamed about. If you are carrying that heavy thought with you today, I want you to stop for a moment. Please set that heavy burden down on the ground right next to you. I want to tell you something very clearly and very gently. You are not behind, you are not failing, and you are doing so much better than you think. The truth is, there is no master timeline for human life. There is no official clock in the sky measuring how fast we must achieve our dreams. Society creates so many invisible rules and rigid deadlines. It tells us we must graduate at one age, find our career at another, and settle down by a certain year. But these timelines are completely made up by human culture. They are not absolute laws of nature, and they do not define your true value as a person. Think about a vast, beautiful forest filled with many different kinds of plants and trees. Do all of those trees grow at the exact same speed? No, of course they do not. Some small bushes grow quickly and bloom in early spring, showing bright blossoms while the air is still cold. Other magnificent hardwood trees spend decades growing deep, strong roots into the earth before they ever grow tall enough to touch the canopy. No gardener stands over a slow-growing tree and shouts at it for taking its time. The gardener understands that strong things take time to form. Nature never hurries, yet everything gets accomplished in its own perfect season. You are a part of nature too, even when you forget it in the rush of life. When we scroll through social media on our phones, we are looking at highlights. We see carefully chosen photos of other people's happiest moments. We do not see their quiet arguments, their scary health worries, their financial stress, or their moments of deep self-doubt. When you compare your messy, everyday internal life to someone else's polished external image, you are making an unfair comparison that hurts your spirit. I want to invite you to throw away that invisible measuring tape today. Stop measuring your progress using someone else's personal yardstick. Your life is not a racetrack with runners lined up side by side. You are not competing against your friends, your family, or strangers on the internet. The only meaningful comparison you can ever make is with your own past self. Look back at who you were 5 years ago, or even 1 year ago. Think of all the difficult days you survived that nobody else knows about. Think of all the quiet challenges you faced with courage and resilience. Even if you feel like you have made little progress on paper, you have grown in wisdom, compassion, and inner understanding. Some years of your life are meant for visible expansion and public success. Those are the years when you build new things and share them with the world. But other years are meant for quiet, underground restoration and rest. Those are the years when you heal old emotional wounds and gather your strength. When it feels like nothing is happening on the outside, do not be fooled. Important work is happening inside your mind and your heart every single day. You are learning what truly matters to you and what you need to let go of. You are discovering your own truth away from the expectations of others. Perhaps your path took an unexpected turn that felt like a huge setback. Maybe a business failed, a dream ended, or a relationship came to a painful close. It is so easy to view those moments as wasted time or personal failures. But what if those detours were actually giving you essential life tools? The hardest chapters of our lives often give us the deepest capacity for empathy. They make us softer, wiser, and more understanding human beings. Consider someone who decides to learn a completely new skill later in life. Imagine an adult learning to play the piano or speak a new language. They might press the wrong keys at first, or pronounce words slowly with uncertainty. But is their effort embarrassing? No, it is beautiful and inspiring. It takes immense courage to be a beginner when you are older. It shows that your spirit is still open, curious, and willing to learn new things. It is never, ever too late to rewrite the story of your life. There is no age limit on discovering joy, purpose, or deep personal peace. You can start learning a creative art form at 40 years old. You can switch careers and enter a brand new field at 50 years old. You can find your true soulmate or build lifelong friendships in your 60s or 70s. Life does not end its possibilities simply because years pass by. When you constantly focus on catching up to where you think you should be, you miss the actual experience of living right now. You miss the simple joy of drinking a hot cup of tea in the morning. You miss the sound of rain falling gently against your bedroom window. Your actual life is taking place right in this present moment in this room. It is not waiting for you at some future milestone down the road. So let us take another calm, deep breath together right now. Inhale quiet energy and exhale all of the tension you have been holding in your shoulders. Give yourself permission to slow down and accept where you stand today. Accept your current chapter with grace, patience, and warmth. Where you are today is a necessary stepping stone for your future self. It is teaching you lessons that you will need for the chapters yet to come. Trust your own unique rhythm and honor the pace of your personal journey. You do not need to hurry or apologize for taking your time. You are not late, my dear friend, and you are certainly not early. You are right on time, walking your own path in your own golden light. Thank you so much for taking this peaceful time to reflect with me today. I hope your heart feels lighter and your mind feels a little more at ease. Remember to speak to yourself with gentle kindness throughout the rest of your day. You are doing a wonderful job, and I am so proud of you. Until we sit together again, please take good care of yourself. Goodbye for now, and have a quiet, peaceful day ahead.